This is the Helix, and this build is a quite special build for me. Well, actually, the Helix was the first keyboard I tried to build. Completely unsuccessful. One side, the LEDs didn't work at all, and the last column would not work because I would have messed the controller completely. And the other side, although I did a fine job, it turned out that I didn't try the controller before I used it, and the controller was broken. And I didn't use hot swapping back then, and then I tried the desolder, and it was a mess. After 2 years of building keyboards, this was a breeze. It's still not an easy build, it's quite difficult for a beginner, but I enjoyed every minute. But because now I'm using smaller keyboards and I'm quite used not to use the number hole, I decided to hide the number hole with something that resembles a pencil tray. As it's obvious, a pencil doesn't fit, but you can still use it for a pen. It fits just fine, but I can put other things on, like my tweezers or small ball things or keycaps. And the Kailh Burned Orange sound quite nice, quite silent compared to other switches.